GCash app acting up and refusing to open? Let's tackle this together with some quick fixes. First, try restarting your phone. It's amazing how refreshing the system can solve many issues. Next, check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is crucial for the app to function properly. If that doesn't work, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it makes a difference. Still having trouble? Head to your phone settings and clear the GCash app cache. This can help eliminate any glitches. Don't forget to check for updates in the Play Store or App Store. Keeping the app updated is essential. Also, ensure you have enough storage space on your device. If the app still won't cooperate, consider uninstalling and reinstalling it. Lastly, check Cash's official Facebook page for any maintenance updates that might be affecting the app. With these steps, you should be able to get your GCash app up and running smoothly again. Like and subscribe for more GCash solutions.